Buongiornito Chiquichito. In today's video we're gonna talk about how you can add sound effects to your application. Let me show you a case. And for example this and this. You see every of these emojis is assigned to some sound, and we're gonna implement this. I will show you how to implement this with my demo app. This app is first origin like Web3 application, but for you I did another branch with demo mode without blockchain, because I understand that not every developer use Web3 features, use wallets like crypto wallets and connection to Web3 sphere, to blockchain. So I did another branch for you, and you can see it in description. I stay a code like this, and I will publish another branch if I not already published. No, I not publish. Give me a sec, I will publish this to show you. Now new version is published. It's gonna called demo no web3 for you, and you can take it here with code that I'm gonna use for this video. If you're interested in full project, you can check my another video. It's going like for 30 minutes, where I explain all smart contract connection, all like networks, blockchain, etc. And for us now we're gonna use only most important parts here with demo and mock data here, because Web2 devs don't need like Web3 sphere here to actually connect some sounds. Now we have this simple project. For us interesting only Vite and React. Here it's a Vite React template. All other it's not interesting for us now, because I'm gonna review for you how you can add mood sounds. We have this app component, and in app component we have all data and all our front-end code for this application demo. It's all that you see here, it's in app TSX. Yeah, it's not refactored properly, but it will be easy for you to understand if it's gonna be united in one place. For us, more interesting part here, it's use mode sounds hook. I separated this hook in another folder with hooks. And for our use mode sounds, we just take play sound from here, play sound function, you see. We just like take this from our object here, and we play sound with emoji that connected to this. I will see you how it's working in hook in a sec. And handle set mood, just send our button when we select emoji, like when you do this. Happen handle select mood, and happen our play sound hook. So you can use this hook easily, you see. Like just take this hook and take play sound from this hook and add whatever you want. In my case, let's we go to this hook like this, so you can see it properly. We go to hook like this, and in my case I have emoji here, but you can change it to whatever you want, like a trigger for you. It's just emoji here are like params for trigger, and for assign some emoji here, because you see for me sound files is assigned to emoji, and it's how different sounds sound here. Yeah, like for a hurt it's gonna be this sound. And if we check how we take these actual sound files, we need to place them in public in React way. And usually in, for example, Vue and other frameworks, you need to use your root public folder usually for your files be visible, not inside src, because how you understand, we use this native JS code, and in native JS code we just use new audio here, like this hook. Here we take a TypeScript template and created empty object, and here we create our hook and function play sound that we use in app TSX. And this play sound, if it's not audio cache, if nothing is assigned here, we check audio cache and assign it to our emoji here. We can add a lot of more here. You see, it's just a simple logic. And how you understand audio here is now used, like you see, it's not window audio, but if we check console log for window, let me change it to this, you can find in our console audio. Let me send some request to have. because you see we have console look inside this function, so look gonna be visible only with this function. Give me a sec, I will find audio here in this window object. Yeah, I found it with the searcher in DevTools. And how you can see in window object we have this audio, and this audio we just use like instance here to connect sound files to actual audio and play it. You see now it's easy, we don't need some external libraries for this. We're just gonna use a native API for audio here. Audio buffer, it's also some advanced audio list and constraints if you create your music player or so. But for us it's interesting only audio, you see. And prototype there's a lot of like default functions for audio, etc. So you see it's just like imagine this audio like window audio, and how you understand window is our global browser object. So let me delete this, and it's all. When we have this audio assigned, we have a function to play sound, because in audio we have play in function. Actually, maybe I can find this play here in prototypes. On CarPlay, it's somewhere here, I guess, in audio. Yeah, it's hard to find now because all default data here, but this place actually should be inside audio. So for us it's just mean that we can use play, and let me actually find what you can also do in audio. In MDM for some reason I can see key methods here in the new audio. Yeah, you see we have a URL here, how we also add it here. Sound files URL is just URL for our public folder here, where we have the sounds. Yeah, it's just sounds inside a folder. But I ask Google AI, and Google AI give me all properties and key methods that we have in audio. We have like SRC, it's this usually we use for HTML media element audio for some music players. And for us we interested in key methods. You see if we have assigned audio to our actual sound constant sound, we have play, like we see here. We have play, start or resume playback, we have also pause, we have load, and can play type. It's not a lot, but it can be useful if you need to like pause or do some other stuff here. So you see, for us we just use play, and our effect is played like this. We have play sound, we send emoji, and this emoji is played, is triggered. So you can use this hook whatever you want, and it's gonna be cool in your application in any case. Sorry, just voice recognition here also included. You can check my another video about voice recognition and how it's gonna work with voice recognition here. Like for example, check this, I love you. So you see, next video gonna be about voice recognition and all this stuff together. Let's go. You can find this code in the description and use it for your own projects.